Hi, welcome to the Tai Chi Code. On this channel, I'm focusing on teaching common Tai Chi forms and techniques with a specific emphasis on how to use your core muscles to create each movement in a predictable, reproducible, and systematic way. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dr. Todd Martin. I'm a family medicine physician, Tai Chi practitioner, and dance instructor. And I have applied these three disciplines to create the Tai Chi Code and the Walking Code. You may already be familiar with my other channel, Todd Martin MD, where I focus in on walking technique. But I decided to start this new channel so I could focus in specifically on Tai Chi, because the Walking Code is fundamentally based on Tai Chi theory, and I wanted to be able to get into it in much more depth without interfering with people who are only interested in the walking techniques that I discuss on the other channel. I think if you're really interested in learning how to move very predictably from your core, strengthen your core muscles, and develop a lot of fluidity with your movement, you're going to get a lot of benefit from this channel. So thanks for joining me. I'm going to try to keep each video down to about 5 minutes, focusing in on a specific aspect of the technique that I'm reviewing in that video. The Tai Chi Code is based on my personal analysis of the Tai Chi Trigrams, correlating them with specific movements of the abdominal core and hips. Each of the 8 specific core movement patterns are referred to as core techniques in the Tai Chi Code. Each of the core techniques is correlated with one of the 8 Tai Chi energies: ward off, roll back, press, push, pluck, split, elbow strike, and shoulder strike. These videos are meant to be a supplement to your other Tai Chi training. If you find value in them, please subscribe to the channel, make generous use of the like button, and drop me a comment and let me know what you think, especially if you're an experienced Tai Chi practitioner. Thanks for watching.